Hi everyone! Oh my goodness, you can see by the title what this is. So we're not going to do anything. We're just going to get right into the Beautylish bag, okay? This is the second year I have ordered a Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I'm really excited. I think they're a great deal. I'll link all the information for it down below, the pricing and everything. Here it is. Last year the paper had owls. This year it has people on it. And it has a tag, and it usually tells you what the theme is for the year. So I'll just put all that information down below. I got the $75 bag. The Lucky Bag is a Japanese tradition called fukubukuro. And I got the $75 one. And where is it? Oh, packing. I think this is it. They do pack it really well, I will say that. And let's see. Last year, I'll link my last year's down below. Last year I got Becca, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Wayne Goss. I was very excited. I got last year, well, you can just watch last year's to see, but I'm very excited. This says Viseart. I've always thought about getting the little theory palettes, but I never did. I don't have anything from Viseart. So this is the little 6-pan palette, Cashmere. So there's 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. And it looks like they pop out so that you could, I guess if you had more than one palette, you could, I don't know. I can't wait to use this. I'm excited. I've never owned anything from Viseart, so yay. Okay, Wayne Goss brush. Yay, I'm so excited. This is the number 16 brush. So here's the number 16 brush. Last year, I got this brush, the O2 brush. So this year, I got, it's nice. It's a big crease brush or blending brush. So that's very excited. Next thing in here, now last year I got the Bioderma, and I was actually excited for the Bioderma again because I just finished it, and wow, I always thought that the hype was about the Bioderma was silly, but no, it's true. But this is the Ordinary, and this is their high adherence silicone blurring primer. I think this is like a $4.90. All the prices will be linked through here as we go through. So don't have that primer. Excited to try it. Oh, this is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm so excited. What color is this? Molten Midnight. That's really, I'm so excited to try this. What is this, black? Is this black and gold or black and silver? Yes. So this is black and silver. I actually have I forget what I have the burgundy one on, cranberry color. But that's pretty. I can't wait to use that. I love these. Let me rephrase that. I like them. I like using them. I have one full size like this when the first time they came out, and the glitter got everywhere, and I wasn't a fan of it. But I've been using the shimmer and glows, and I love those. But this is a glitter glow, so like that. Don't have that, so. Okay, then the next thing in here, I can see what it is. It's a skincare product. This is the Indie Lee Lotion CoQ10. I don't know who Indie Lee is. I don't even know what this CoQ10 lotion is. What is it? Oh, it's a toner. So, you know, darn it, if they're gonna put skincare in here, why can't it be Charlotte Tilbury's skincare, the magic cream? Everybody can use that. That's beautiful. So this is it, the CoQ10. Not excited about that, but you know what? I've not tried this brand. So I hope this is a hydrating toner because I have dry skin. Okay, so it has hyaluronic acid. This shouldn't be a drying one, so I'm excited to try that. And the last thing in here is a Kevyn Aucoin, the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. Is there a color, or is this only one? There must be only one color. They did ask your skin type, so I mean, like, are you light, medium, dark? So here it is, the Celestial. I'm not a fan of liquid highlighters. Is this a liquid highlighter, or is this like an illuminating primer? This is 1 ounce. You know, I don't want to open it up and squeeze it because I don't know. I need to research it some more and see if I want to try it, because if I don't want to try it, I'll put it in a giveaway. So I'm excited. I don't have any of these, don't have any Viseart products, have never tried the primer from The Ordinary, have never tried anything from Kevyn Aucoin, and have never tried anything from the Indie Lee brand. And I'm glad that I don't already have this color in the Stila Glitter and Glow. Love Wayne Goss brushes. So I'm really pleased. I'm not sure of the total, but I'll put it right here, the total amount of this box. I know I couldn't help it. I looked at other people's YouTube videos. My box just came last night. So I got it late because I ordered it late. It was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon the day that they went live. So I was pretty low on the totem pole of ordering stuff. So, but I'm happy with my box. I will say I don't look for skincare in this box. A makeup remover or primer is okay, but really I look at this for the makeup. I want the makeup in here. So I'm excited to try this, but Beautylish, if you're listening to anybody out there, next year I'll just do the makeup, okay? Just do the makeup. Do the makeup and the brushes. Leave the toners. Leave the toners. Unless it's going to be like a Charlotte Tilbury magic cream or Charlotte Tilbury eye cream or somebody like that. I don't know. You guys, if anybody has tried the Indie Lee brand, let me know. I'm excited to try the Hyaluronic CoQ10 toners. There. That was it for my Beautylish for 2018. They've already sold out, but I will put a link down in the description below where you can sign up for getting a notice for next year's 2019 box. I think it was worth my money. I mean, I like this Beautylish box because I get things that I wouldn't have thought to buy. You know what I mean? I'm really excited about that. I would have loved to have had the Jouer highlighter in here though, or the Natasha Denona palette. And you know what? No. I like what I got, and I'm not going to complain about it. I like what I got. I'm happy with it. I don't have a duplicate of anything in here. Not tried anything. So I'm happy. But thank you so much for... Oh my gosh, I feel like I am so sorry for that. I'm just glad that that wasn't loud. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great day. Come back and see me again. Mwah! Bye.